Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to be talking about review articles. A review article is one that summarizes the current state of knowledge about a topic or an idea. In academic publishing, it usually summarizes published studies or articles about that topic. Typically, it does not report new findings or new facts. Sometimes review articles are also known as literature review or a lit review article, or sometimes survey articles. Many scholarly journals will include the review article format as an option for publication. Some journals are solely devoted to the format, and they're called review journals. Many times journals prefer to solicit review articles from specific invited authors who are experts in a field, as opposed to having them being considered unsolicited. Review articles are primarily literature reviews and therefore are considered secondary sources since they do not contain original research or findings. They center on the key articles or literature to understanding that topic. These articles can become some of the most read and most downloaded articles for a journal, as readers may turn to them time and time again to fully appreciate the topic and the seminal literature connected to it. Journals that try to cultivate a high impact factor may intentionally include these articles for the reason of them being highly cited. Review articles, aside from being a source of definitive literature review, also help identify gaps in research, focus on topics still under debate, and help to point towards where future research might concentrate its efforts. One of the most valuable goals a review article can have is to draw connections between the articles mentioned or the studies examined. Authors writing review articles should not shy away from drawing conclusions, as the articles are not simply bibliographies. Review articles or literature review articles will remain a mainstay of scholarly communications and research. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on this playlist to see more videos about academic publishing. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.